Hey guys, we'll go through our dumbbell squat with a rotational press drill or exercise. What you're going to do is grab a dumbbell or a kettlebell and you're going to place them to the rack position. Make sure in the rack position your shoulders are pulled back slightly and down into your back pocket. This would be your starting position as well as the position when you come back from your overhead press. The key here is in this position is not to let that shoulder round forward. All right, so I'm in my basement. I don't have a whole lot of room here. In fact, I have to be pretty precise with where I press the dumbbell here between the rafters. So ideally, if you're doing this in a gym, lots of space, you'll be fine. If you're doing it at home, make sure you can clear your ceiling. All right, so let me just make sure I'm okay here. I think I'm all right. All right, so from here, I'm going to go to a squat, come up, and then press up. Yeah, so that was pretty slow. I'm going to adjust myself here. Okay, I want to try to explode on the way up with that press. There you go. Now the other key here is finishing up not into an extended posture. Bring that rib cage, pull it down. Okay, I might be a little bit extended just because I'm kind of scared about this this chin-up bar here. There we go. That should be better. And you can tell when I go into my press from my squat, I'm rotating my hips and I'm pivoting on my back foot here. Okay, one more time. Here and up. Careful down. Guys, that's your dumbbell squat with a rotational overhead press.